Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington, Hickville, USA as I love to call it. So welcome to my channel everybody. So this is my July 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative number 21. Yes, I don't know if we're going to hit 30 guys with this kit. I've been using the card bases in the ephemera almost in their entirety, so we'll have to see. We'll have to see, but I really am surprised at just how much I am enjoying creating with this kit. And I haven't been using too many other things. The sentiments go really well together, and you're going to see that in a minute. So here at the end, I am trying to mix it up a little bit more, but let's take a look at it. So this kit is called Sweeter With You. It's July 2025's kit. It is different in the fact that it makes 8 cards. You have four designs, 2 of each card, so 2, 2, 2, 2, and the envelopes are all the same. On the back here, this QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed, a visual of everything in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I show you everything that comes in the kit. After that, I just kind of mosey along like Mr. Hank. Right here is a typo as it says contains supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes. That is incorrect. It contains supplies for 8 cards and 8 envelopes. Over here, this one would lead you to this set of 9 dice. Here's a better look at them. They're called the Circle of Season dice. They coordinate with July, August, and September's Paper Pumpkin kit. And September's will have a suite of new products in the upcoming mini catalog, which you don't have to purchase all of them. Just choose and pick what you want, right? So the stamps are hello, friend, sweeter with you, thank you, you're the best, love you lots, the 2 flowers, the leaf, and the strawberry. And you can cut that hello, friend right in half. So we're going to set that aside. I am using a pre-made card base. This is 5.5 by 8, scored at 4. You can use a 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4.25 is fine. This just happens to be the one I pulled out of my little container full of pre-made card bases. I'm using the strawberry with the leaves in its entirety. We are not cutting this up, and I'm going to use 3 of the flowers from this kit. We are also going to be using the Simply Said Thinking of You. You could use the April 2025's Paper Pumpkin Thinking of You. You could also use Hello Friend. I just wanted to change it up a wee bit, right? I just wanted to change it up a wee bit. So with that being said, we are also going to be using this old polka dot background stamp from Stampin' Up! Why? Because I was inspired by the polka dot card base from this kit. Now, yes, it is on pink and it's got little Poppy Parade polka dots on there, and this is larger polka dots, but I thought, heck, we're just gonna run with it, right? So, I can use bubble bath, and I can, yeah, let's do that. We're gonna go ahead and put some bubble bath on this piece. So I'm gonna get a piece that is well started, and I don't know if this is, oh, it's good enough. We are going to use some bubble bath, or maybe I should, you know what, I can get away with Pretty in Pink. Pretty in Pink is my favorite pink, so we're going to go with Pretty in Pink. You could use a sponge dauber. I'm going to just use what I have here in front of me. I'm going to pick up some ink. This is a lot of ink, look at that. So I'm going to tap it off, rub it into the brush some, onto my glass mat. Now, I'm just going to take this and brush some color onto my card base. Now I know it's not going to give me a solid pink, and I don't want it to. I just want to give it a little bit of a background. I'm going to pick up some more of that ink over here. Oh, it's good. This is going to turn out so nice, I think. I'm going to like it. So I'm just adding some more ink to it. look like I might need just a little bit more. That looks really nice. All right, so enough with the pretty and pink. We're not going to be using that again. I just wanted to get a little bit of color from my white to light pink. We're going to be using this here in a minute. Now I'm going to use my polka dot background and my poppy parade because we're going to fit some poppy parade. This is foam, so no rub-a-dub-dub. This is tap, 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 tap. Oh, I'm going to need that, so I don't know why I did that. So now I'm going to lay this on top carefully. Don't move it around. Give it a nice rub down. Lift it off without smearing it. Oh, look at that. We have pretty and pink and red polka dots. Voila! That is going to be so pretty. Look. Look at, isn't that nice? Right? Now, oops is right, because I was going to stamp right here. So that's a oops. Let me get a little bit of hand sanitizer there. I want to get this off my desk. So now what do I do? Right? That's all right. I bet, oh, I have a little bit of scrap paper here. Nope, we might just change what we're using. I bet there is a little piece of bubble bath. There's that. I don't like that, but I had a little, yes. I think we're going to change our sentiment to "You're the best" or "Love you lots." That really doesn't look well. So I might have to resort to I could do that. I could stamp directly onto that little stripe, but I don't like that either. Neither did you all. I could hear it. I could hear it. Girl, what are you doing? That is so not what we want. I have some pretty in pink, and I don't like that. Now I have some envelope pieces. I have a little bit of blue. This is the pool party from the kit. We could stamp directly onto that, but there is nothing else like that on my card, so that's not going to work either. So we might just stamp. These are pieces of envelopes, so I think we're just going to stamp on those. See, look at that one. Wait a minute, this is it. I don't like that either, but I don't want to use that piece either, so we're just going to stamp on here. We are going to stamp our thinking of you, and we're going to cut it, and that's all there is to it, right? We got this. So that is going to be our bump up strip because this is so flimsy. We are going to stamp in our Poppy Parade, our thinking of you. I wish I had a little bit of garden green. I'm trying to look at what I have. Nope, that's not going to work. Thinking of you. That does not look straight. One of these two is going to be the one we use. Alright, so we have our thinking of you. We are going to stamp on our envelope. Just a note. Why? Because I can and I want to. I like that. This is from Simply Said. This is going to go on the back here. We're also going to use that "You're the best" on the front. Alright. This is done. Check. We need to stamp the inside of a card before we go any further. In this one, we are going to stamp two things. We're going to do "Life, hello friend, life is sweeter with you." also 2 of the stamps. So it's going to say, hello, friend. Oh, we're going to use love you lots too. I might have to get that one. Nope, I see it. It's in here. It's in my little container. Life is sweeter with you, and love you lots. We've got all of them today. Yes, we do. We've got spirit. How about you, right? And I think we're just going to add that here, even though I should have moved that up much more, but we got all of them on there. So now I am happy, happy, happy. I am happy with what I have in there. Move that aside, this aside. And we need to work on this though. So this, oh, that's going to actually work out really well. We're going to take it all the way to the side. So we can just glue this down. Trying to see where the thinking of you ends. And we'll just fussy cut it off. We want to see some polka dots there. Got a little extra there, but that's okay. This one in the recycle bin. Now we are going to put this right here. It's not getting any dimensionals on purpose. And then we have our 3 little flowers, which now I need to design. I think we're going to put one right here because I like that. We need to decide where we want to put them. So we're going to pop this one right there. I was going to put them on the leaves, but now that I see this card, I don't really exactly want to do that. I want to put one right here. And I like the idea of putting this one like right there. And yes, I'm doing the stickily glitter glue. I just am. I cannot help it, guys. It's either that or the crystal effects. And the crystal effects right now would be quite an ordeal because it's hot, it's sticky, and I don't want to deal with that. So it's the stickily glitter glue. It just is. It's going to make me happy. Right in the centers. And then the green parts of the strawberry. Maybe we'll do a little bit on the stems. Makes me think of the Jolly Green Giant right now. We're just going to do the veining in the leaves, right? Oh, that's so pretty. We're not doing the strawberries, I'm just doing the greenery. There we have it. Oops, this one needs some coming down here. That is so shiny and pretty. So, I hope you guys, of course, I always hope that you like it, but even more so when I do something and it's not your cup of tea, please let me know because I appreciate that just as much. It lets me know that you really are so supportive of my channel because you're willing to watch something even though it doesn't quite suit you. So thank you, and thank you all of you who let me know that, because I know sometimes that I watch videos, I do watch them on my TV, and then I got to remember if I've gone back into on my tablet or my phone when I get a chance to comment on those videos. So I do understand the trouble with if you watch on a TV, you can't leave a comment. I do understand that. So for all of you who are frustrated with that, I feel you. I really do, because I like to watch my videos um, while I'm having lunch. It's my way of catching up. So, I sit out there, and unless I'm having lunch with my hubby, which I don't usually, it's just me having a quick salad or something. Um, I get to catch up on a video or two while I'm making my salad or while I'm eating my salad, and I get to catch up. Um, and then I have to go like, oh yes, I want to leave a comment, so I got to get my tablet, or sometimes I forget. So I do understand, and I so appreciate all the comments and all the kind support I have received. You all are so gracious and so kind. Thank you so much, because I love sharing this with you. And it is in those comment sections that we are able to connect. So thank you for taking the time. Thank you for taking the time to leave comments, but for also watching my videos. I do appreciate it so much, and I do hope to see you all again soon here in my wonderland. Bye bye for now, everyone.